Hello everyone, this is Tom Driver, and I'm here to announce that we have officially launched the Drive Fitness app. For those of you who are familiar with the app, we did a beta test back in 2018, and we've kind of taken the app down, reworked it, and now we are putting it back out, calling this our official launch. There will be many more videos coming that explain how we build everything and go into each of these features more in depth. But this video is going to be a quick demo of just the current state of the app. And by the time that I release this video, the app will be available on the Apple app and Google Play Store. So please go check it out, and please reach out to us if you decide to become one of our users. Before I get started, I just want to give a huge shout out to Matt Dramazos. Matt has put in an incredible amount of time into this app over the past couple years. This app really would not be what it is today without him, and I get the honors of demoing it for you guys, but please just know that Matt worked on this just as much as I did. He has really brought a lot of expertise to this app that I didn't have, and it's really just impressive what he's been able to do. So thank you, Matt, and here we go. So when you look at the app, the first thing you're going to notice is that we have condensed it into 3 tabs. We have this new home screen. We have a workout page and the user's profile page. I'm going to start with the new workout tab that we have. So this button right here allows you to create a new program. And this button right here shows you your saved programs. I'm going to go into my saved programs and switch over to Drive Demo 1. Now to add a workout day to this program, I can do so right here, but I already have some pre-made. So a workout day is essentially a template that you can follow. I'm going to go into one of these workout days and just go through it so you guys can see the workflow. So this is just a simple arms day. I only added 3 exercises for the sake of this demo. If I made this program and sent it over to you and you didn't like the order things were in, you can switch up the order of the workout day before you get started. You can also search and add in a new exercise before you get started with the workout. So let's get started. One of the coolest new features that we have is animations. If you see here, I have a little demonstration of how to do a dumbbell alternate bicep curl. You can drag the animation around in 360 so you can better see the form. And we have about 1,000 exercises in our database, and we currently have about 100 different animations, right? So it's going to be a slow process of getting an animation paired with every exercise, but I'm going to create a couple new programs that I'll be releasing in a separate video that kind of showcase the animations that we do currently have. So I'm going to run through this workout day and just enter in some test data for us. You see a rest time here will pop up, which you could dismiss if you would like. You're going to notice that you're going to be given a gain score on the right, which is a long, complicated equation, which I'm going to have to make a separate YouTube video explaining exactly why you get a certain amount of points for each set. And if you're on the last set, it's going to send you right to the next exercise. So here we have a concentration curl. And maybe for this exercise, you decide that instead of doing 3 sets, you only want to do 2. Well, these plus and minus buttons allow you to add a 4th set or potentially remove a set. One more cool part about this workout feature is in the middle of a workout, you can actually close out of this workout and you can navigate to another tab, perhaps to view some more data more in depth or see what your friends are doing in the middle of your workout. And then it's designed sort of to be like a Spotify song where there's this little tab here at the bottom that hangs there no matter what tab you're on. And then you can click on the current workout to open it back up. Another thing that you can do in the middle of your workout, you can switch the order that things are in. And then this plus button right here will help you search and add for another exercise mid-workout. Now for the sake of time, let's just add one set here, and then we can submit this workout. So then you get a workout summary, which you can choose to share if you would like. So on the home screen at the very top, you're going to see a quick view of a leaderboard. Right now, this profile is the only person that has any points for this week, but the leaderboard in the quick view is listed by your weekly points, and it'll rank, the highest person of the week at the very left of the leaderboard. If you want to see the total leaderboard, there is a See All button here. So the leaderboard is going to show you today's points first. You can also filter it out by who has the most points this week, this month, or all time. Below that, we have an outdoor cardio button, which is going to send us to our outdoor cardio new feature. So I can't completely demo this on my computer right now, but if I were to hit start tracking and then run around my neighborhood, it would start mapping out my run on this Google map right here. So I've already tested this out, and I can show you guys some of my previous runs. Yeah. So this one, I ran around my entire neighborhood, and it tracked that for me, and now it records that in my list of runs. Now here, our exercise library is divided up by your muscle group for a quick view. So I'm going to go into our chest exercises. Within our chest exercises, we have the ability to search the entire database for any exercise that we might want to add to our library. And then on the right of this tab, we have the exercises that we have already favorited. Then at the top, we're going to show a breakdown of our favorite exercises by how many points we've earned for each. And then there's another way of just displaying that same data, except for in a bar graph view. Now, if we go into one of these exercises, if we don't want to add our data in by a workout, say you just want to do a quick set somewhere, you can add a set right from this page. You can also get some more in-depth view of this exercise by looking at its history or looking at your records. So this will show you what is the highest amount that you've lifted for each rep count, and it will equalize them through a 1 rep max. So we can see here that we might be able to improve our 4 rep max or our 6 rep max just by looking at this quick bar chart. And as you notice, this animation, we don't have one yet for flat barbell chest press. Most of our animations are actually dumbbells. If I choose an exercise which does has an animation like dumbbell fly, you will also be able to see that animation here as well, along with some extra info about it. The last thing for these exercise libraries, if you select all, this same graph, it's going to be basically just a breakdown of your muscle groups instead of your exercises. So this is going to show you how many points you've gotten for each muscle group. Below that, we have our workout history. Now, we do have a new timeline feature, which I'll go over momentarily, but first we're going to go over your personal workout history. So I can choose one of my own histories, and then this will show me a breakdown of what I did that day. So this was on 12/29. This person did cable seated rows, incline dumbbell chest press, wide grip lat pull down, flat barbell chest press. So we went over what it was like to go through a workout in the moment. This would be what it looks like to reflect on that data after the fact. This also comes with some cool charts and graphs that help you visualize what you did that day. So you got a bar graph here numbered by the 4 exercises that you did. And then you also have a radar chart as well. So this is for your own personal workout history. And this graph is going to show how many points you got for each of these workout days that you completed. You can also view your friends' history. So on this timeline right here. Now, if we look, I can see all of Matt Dramazzo's information because he is my only friend that's entered anything into the app right now. And I have the ability to like and leave comments on the exercises that he's done as well. So we're still kind of perfecting this feature. There's a lot more to come here. I eventually want to see more of these charts and graphs pulled into the timeline too, so that you can kind of get a quicker view for what Matt did on a certain day by just viewing maybe a bar chart or a radar chart or maybe he can upload an image or a video of what he did that day as well. So this is just kind of the beginnings of our timeline, but it's going to kind of sit below, right, a bunch of our other features right here. And then the final tab is just your profile tab. Right now it's pretty simple. It's going to show you what level you are on in the game. You can look at how many followers you have, change your settings. There's a lot of gym settings I'm not going to go over right now, but where you can enter in like the equipment you have and things like that, so you can kind of set up the environment that you're working out in. Then we also have a medals feature, where right now all of our medals are just for your number of exercises. So for instance, this person has 1 cardio exercise, that's a bronze. They have 5 chest exercises, so they got a silver. And then they have over 10, they have 11 back exercises, so they got a gold medal for back. And then we have achievements too, which is there's just certain achievements set up for certain variables in the app, like how many gains you got, how many followers you have. You'll get an achievement if you surpass a certain level of followers or workout sessions, things of that nature. Both of these features are still kind of being tweaked, and that's part of the reason we would like some feedback, is for you guys to kind of let us know if these features actually motivated you in the gym, or ways that you would like to see the gamification sort of take shape in the app. So yeah, that just about wraps it up. We are super excited about this version. It is currently available on the Google Play and the Apple App Store, so please go download it. And please, if you are going to use the app, please reach out to me. I'm just going to give my phone number right here. It's 703-577-4810. Once again, that's 703-577-4810. Please just text me. I want to build a close relationship with all of our users, but especially those first, 10 to 20 users that are going to be kind of testing the app out for us, making sure that there's no bugs there, and really just giving us good feedback on how to grow this app into something that you guys want to use. So if you're going to use the app in the next month or two, please reach out, please text me, please let me know what kind of feedback you have. I'm really excited to connect to, the first group of users here. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a great day.